Hey, what is going on, guys? I got one question for you. Does your Blue Yeti mic sound like this?
You got the flag carrier going down low, one shot. Down low on A right now.
Now, my mic used to sound like that, and it used to drive me nuts. I tried all kinds of different programs, including Voice Meter Banana, which ended up being a headache. I've used it multiple times, and it just didn't pan out. And nothing I did got my mic to sound good. I even went into OBS and applied filters like I watched on other YouTube videos, but I have quite possibly the easiest fix you can ever imagine. It's so easy and so silly that this might just be the cure for your mic as well. So follow me. So if you've absolutely tried everything, including OBS filters like you've probably watched in other YouTube videos, try this instead. Go to your desktop screen and go to the bottom right and right click and hit sound settings. Now you're going to notice you have all of your system sound, including your speakers or your headphones, but let's go ahead and focus on the input where your mic is. You'll notice my volume for my input mic is at 77. This is right where you want to be. I can guarantee you if you're mic and you can't get it to sound good, especially for Blue Yeti mics, this might be turned all the way up to 100, and you will notice the difference immediately that my mic starts peaking. But if I bring it all the way back down to 77, you notice a huge difference. And this is the one simple trick that will make your mic sound amazing. Now you can touch it up with some OBS filters and whatnot, but just doing this simple trick alone has helped me sound so much better through Discord, through my video games, and just speaking into my mic in general. Now for the actual mic itself, you want to turn the gain all the way down. You don't want any extra gain on your mic unless you absolutely need that extra punch in your mic. And the second thing I want you to focus on is cardioid mode. It's well suited for podcasts, vocal performances, voiceover, and instruments. And it looks like this little heart shape right here. So I hope this video helped you guys with your Blue Yeti microphone. And if it did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Also, I do stream on Twitch at twitch.tv/sneaky_flamingo. I will leave that at the top of your screen and in the description below. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.